It starts with a plain wooden board. Nothing fancy, just raw material ready to transform. We cut the wood to size, carefully shaping the base that will hold everything together. Next, we prepare smaller support pieces, each one measured for a perfect fit. Sanding time. This step smooths out every edge and brings the wood grain to life. Now we attach the parts, building a sturdy frame piece by piece. Screws lock it firmly in place, strong enough to hold candles or decor. With the structure solid, we move on to finishing. A rich brown stain for that farmhouse look. See how the rustic color highlights the natural wood? This is where it really comes alive. And here's the final reveal. A handmade rustic piece that looks just as good as the expensive store-bought version.